Third one, write a Python program to get a single string from two given strings separated by a space and swap the first two characters of each string. Okay, suppose if you take the sample string here, you get the two string from the keyboard here, ABC from XYZ. The first two strings should be swapped here. Okay, second string. The two single strings should be one string here. See, XY become first, XYC, ABC become ABZ here. Okay, we have to swap this XY AB here and AB to XY here. Okay, simple. We have to use this for using the slice function. Simple slice function. We can use it. Okay? First, we have to take from the keyboard. Okay? Input from the keyboard. X is equal to input enter a string. First string enter into y is equal to input second string enter second string. The print x comma y here. Okay, so check the output here. Suppose if we enter ABC here, ABC XYZ second string. So ABC comma XYZ here. Okay, ABC comma what we got output here, ABC comma ABC comma XYZ we got the output here. So I want to replace XY AB with XY and XY with AB here. Okay, we have to swap it. So we have to use the uh, slice function for this one. Okay, x of underscore new is equal to new variable here. Take the y. We want to get this first two. Okay, this is the x string, this is the y string here. We want to get this first two here. Okay, first two, how do we get the first two here? Simple, 0 is to 2. Okay, we get this first two string here, means 0 1 1. Okay, plus, and we have to get this here. Okay, how we get this x 0 is to now 2 is to 0, 2 is to enough. Okay, means it is 0 and 1. Okay, we start from the third character. 2 means 0 next string is 0 next now 0 1 2. Okay, 2 is 2 means it, and we will get the output here like this one, x y c. Okay, x y c will get output here. Okay, so here next thing is we want to get the abz here. Next abz we have to get it. Y underscore new is equal to, okay, x uh, same 0 is to 2 plus y 2 colon plus c. So here we will get the output abz. Okay, abz. These two things we have to make it one string. Simple. You can easily make it print x underscore new comma y underscore new. Simple. I hope you understand the slice function. Okay, simple. Slice function first here first character indicates here first index first starting index. Okay, starting index and the last character is last index here. First one is second position. First position is the first character. Last position is the last characters. Okay, 0 to n. Okay, 0 to n minus 1 like that. Okay? Simple. 0 to 2 means we'll get the first two characters. 0 to 3 means first three characters. 0 to 4 means first four characters will get it. Suppose 1 to 2 means it expects the first character from first to fourth character. Okay, you will get like this one. Okay, the output here, execute it, enter any string ABC, XYZ, second string. See, ABC, come XYZ. So the first two strings, the first two characters are replaced here. AB, XY, C, XYC, ABZ. So other out, you can make it other output also. Enter a string. Suppose QWE and AST. Okay. See QWAST, ASE here, QWD here. Okay. So like that. Okay. Simple. You have to understand simple slice function. Okay. If you understand slice function, half of the string programs you can do it easily.